Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a cleaning set by Alada. In today's video we're going to be restoring some Air Force Ones. So taking a look at the package, first we have a ton of tips. It contains a shoe cleaner, white shoe polish, premium travel bag, a brush, and a towel. And it also has tape to cover any pieces that are not white and you want to polish them with white. So you have this nice travel bag. This is on Amazon for I believe $15. I'll leave a link in the description and I'll show you the progress on these cleaning. So you have the shoe cleaner. You have a purple microfiber cloth. Pretty nice. You have a 2-brush set, a heavy and a soft. And then you have some tape to cover, and you have the white shoe polish, and as well as instructions, which are the package itself. So it says steps to shake it, press against the shoe, keep pressing to remove the sponge, and then the rest of it I'll be showing you in this video on how to do that. So first we're going to clean the shoes with the shoe cleaner, and then we're going to whiten them. So let's go ahead and get our shoes. We're going to do the right one first. So here's the Air Force Ones. Very dirty. We have some sneaker balls in here. We're just going to take these out for a while. Put these to the side. So we're going to be restoring these. They look like this. So first, take off the cap and then remove from right here, this squishy stuff. You just basically push it out. I'll show you right now. I'm going to do a time-lapse video of me cleaning the shoes, so I'll be right back. Alright, what is going on, guys? I just finished cleaning the Air Force Ones. Look it, so this is before. Before. This is after. Before and after. Look at that. Yes, the soles were this dirty on these. Do you see the difference? They look brand new. When I was using the white shoe polish, it literally worked instantly and turned it all white. The sole on the bottom is way wider compared to this yellow dirtiness. Especially when I use the shoe cleaner. The shoe cleaner worked really good, and then the white shoe polish just made it completely good. And it saves a lot of the actual like cleaning, because it has a sponge, and this mechanism that it has lets you output a little bit of the shoe polish or the cleaning. For the brush, you use the soft one for the top, and then the sole you use the harder metallic-ish one. I have not put the shoelaces on yet. I still need to go through this part, but it looks really good, and I'm really blown away on how good this is. Once again, the link is in the description. I'm going to be cleaning both of these extremely well. I'm surprised at how well it did, actually. This was sent out to me by the company, but I'm going to be buying these in the future whenever I need to buy shoe cleaning kits. It was only 15 bucks, and a generic brand like this, it doesn't work as well. It was half the price. This one was $6, which you could get one of these refill bottles for, I believe, about the same price, which is really good. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm gonna make the thumbnail something like this. I don't know. It's really, really well though, guys. I'm surprised. So if you want to clean your Air Force Ones, I highly recommend getting this product. You can take even more time. I only took 20 minutes to clean both of these. I speed run through with both of them, so I don't have to keep standing here for a long time. But everything in here is really good. You have microfiber cloth, you have a piece of tape, and some other tool kits and whatnot. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm going to be cleaning these for the rest of the time, and thank you for watching.